for him?
Yeah.
That's what did you ask Santa for? Did he get it for you?
Did you get it?
Did he get it for you, bud?
Yeah.
He did?
You did? Where is it?
Did you open it yet?
Where?
Did you see that there's a present up on the mantle?
Is there any more presents?
Up there.
Oh my gosh. You want to reach it? See what it is? Special one? Pick it up. Oh, wow.
He left it up there just for you? What do you think it is?
What do you think's in there, bud?
Fire cookie.
Fire truck Jeep? You a good boy?
Take a cell phone picture with myself.
Yes, yes.
What is it?
Fire cookie.
Wow! Oh my goodness!
Is that what you asked for, bud?
Yeah, I did.
Yes,
Show
I
Dad.
did.
Let me see it. Show Dad. Are you hugging it?
Open, Daddy.
Is that what you wanted?
Yeah, I did.
Wow! Where do you think Santa got that?
Mom.
At the mall?
No.
Where do you think he got it?
That's right. It's from Costco.
Costco? No way.
Santa shops at Costco?
Yeah.
Do you think Gus told him that that's what you wanted?
That's all I wanted.
That's all I wanted.
Are you happy, Dan? It's cool, bud. Whoa.
Get out.
Did you tell Mom they didn't have any more cars and toys at Costco when we went yesterday?
Really? They were all
They were all
out?
sold out.
So out.
Wow.
Alright, that's going to take some time.
Look at that, bud.
Say bye-bye, Mom.